Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Brittany, and today I am going to do a depatching of some of the lipsticks that I have in my kit. So if you are a makeup artist, then you know the struggle of trying to bring all of the makeup that you need and also trying to save space. So a best way to do that is to depot your lipsticks, which is basically taking them out of the tube and putting them into a more travel friendly case. This is the Lucette 24-piece Tahiti case. I got this from beautylist.com and it was about $14, and it's just a clear case with 24 individual slots for all of your lipsticks. You can also use creams, glitters, foundation, any type of makeup that you want to use in here. So I'm going to depot all of these lipsticks for you guys. Some of the tools that you're going to need first is alcohol. I use the 91% alcohol, and I just put it in a spray bottle for easy use. Of course, you're going to need your case, your lipsticks, and I also have a spatula and a mixing palette. So the first thing you want to do is just sanitize all of the items. I'm going to sanitize the case, just spraying some alcohol in it. And I'm going to take a paper towel and just wipe it clean just to make sure everything is really sanitized before you put the lipstick in it. Alright, and I'm just going to set this to the side. Before I depotted the lipsticks, I did like a little diagram, little table of how I'm going to list all of the lipsticks in my palette, just so it will be a lot easier when I get ready to do it. Now, I've seen a few videos on YouTube of girls depotting lipsticks, and I've seen it done a couple of different ways. Some of the girls use candles to actually melt the lipstick and pour it in there. That is actually a really easy way to do it, but I'm not going to do it that way for you guys. I'm just going to take the lipstick and then smush it up and then put it inside the palette. So we're going to first sanitize the lipstick. The first lipstick I'm using is by MAC. I'm just going to spray it with some alcohol. I'm then going to take a paper towel and just wipe off the first layer and also around the sides just to get any of the used portion off the lipstick. And then we're going to spray it again with some alcohol. Okay, so next I'm going to take a clean paper towel, and I'm going to make sure the lipstick is up as far as it'll go, and it's at the very top. And I'm just going to gently tug on the lipstick, and the whole lipstick should come out like that. So the entire lipstick came out of the tube. So we're going to put the lipstick on our mixing palette. And with our clean spatula, I've already sanitized this with alcohol. I'm just going to cut up the lipstick like so. And we're just really going to mix it all together so it's just one smooth lump of lipstick. Oh, and by the way, I did sanitize the mixing palette as well with alcohol. Okay. So once you have all of the lipstick mixed together, kind of like so, you can then go ahead and put it inside of the clean palette. Take the lipstick and we're we're going to, I'm going to do a little at a time. And we're just going to put it into the palette. So this is the first lipstick that is in. When you get done, you want to clean and sanitize the spatula and also the mixing palette so the colors won't mix in with the other lipsticks. Spray it with some more alcohol and wipe it with a paper towel. Okay. Okay, so this one is not coming out as easily as the other one. So if you come across that and you're not able to take the lipstick out whole, you can just cut it off, and then you can take your spatula and dig on the inside and just get the remaining of the lipstick out. I'm gonna flip it around to this side since this side has like a little pointy to it, and just to get the rest of the lipstick that's at the bottom. Okay.
Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. If no one is around, say my name. Around you, if no one is around, say my name. Around you, if no one is around you, around kinda shady. If no one is around you, calling me baby. If no one is around, say my name. If no one is around you, around you, if no one is around you, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. 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 You acting kinda, you acting kinda, you acting kinda, you acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Tell the truth, who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clip? Don't try to change it now. Say you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I just do things. I'm slowing down just the way it seems. You know somebody acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me.
Okay, so I have depotted all of my lipsticks. I have 20 lipsticks in this case, and they are all in here. Now, once you are done depotting all of the lipsticks, you can just take a Q-tip and clean around the edges. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video of me depotting my lipsticks. It was pretty simple and easy, so if you guys did like it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you would like more videos similar to this and also how to build your freelance kit, just comment down below. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.